Today's video is going to show you how to clean out a dirty microwave. Now, the microwave is really messy. It's got stuff on the roof. It's got stuff on the back. It's just been a while since anybody cleaned it out since I've been at work so often. So I'm going to show you the secret to cleaning all this out very, very easily. Okay, step one, you're going to take a cup that can be put in the microwave, in this case, coffee mug, full of water, set it in there, close it, tell your microwave to microwave for 10 minutes. Alexa, microwave for 10 minutes. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, so after the microwave stopped, open it up, take out your cup. The contents of the cup could be pretty hot, so set it off to the side. And going to take out, wipe off the tray. There's going to be a little water spilled on it. The tray is magically just wipes clean. Set that on top. Then you wipe off the rest of the microwave. All we did was boil water in the microwave and essentially steam cleaned it. Hope this helps you in your cleaning ventures.